All right, so we're gonna run through a dry run here of a dummy entry. So I'm just gonna have Claude Code go ahead and submit a dummy form to the intake form. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so here is the dummy data that Claude just inputted. So now what's gonna happen is the intake agent here is going to take all that information and do a couple things. It's going to find the calendar event, which I've created. And you can see here, it found the calendar event. It's for April 7th at noon. It's going to go ahead and look at the preferred location, which is the mission. It looks like it found a spot, which it is, let's see here, Suvla on Valencia Street. It is going to update the calendar event with that location. And it's going to add all the details into the sessions database here. So you can see now we have Jeff Smith, Suvla, here's the date, here's the calendar event URL. And it is marked it as intake complete. That's important because now that it's intake complete, it's going to now trigger this agent here, which is then going to start its work, which is to build a session plan for the customer. So it's going to read through the whole intake form. So that's what it's doing right now. It's reading through the intake form. It's identifying the pain points, the apps that the customer uses, their goals, everything that is included in the intake form. So now it's read all the intake data, and now it's going to build a session plan. That session plan is then going to live on the session page right here. It's the easiest to just live there because that's where all the data lives for this session. So we might as well just include it on the page content itself. So you can see it. Oh, now it has been updated. So let's see how that agent is doing. It's gone ahead and written all of this, and it's set the status to prepped. So now it's in the prepped stage. We're going to add more steps after this, but this is where we're at right now. Let's see. So it's built out. Here's some quick context. Here's what we're going to install on their computer. Since this customer says he's basically brand new to AI and AI tools, it suggested not to install Claude Code or VS Code or MCPs. That's too advanced, but to go this route, which is Claude Desktop. And it suggested a build on what we should build during the session, pre-session checklists, stretch goals. All of these just packaged up for me to be prepared when I come into each session, knowing what we're going to install and what we are going to build during the session.